when I bought the multifamily home, I was blessed with 3 clawfoot tubs. And I have slowly reglazed 2 and replaced the shower curtain oval and the riser. And what I am going to do is replace this oval. You can see it's just aluminum and it's really crappy looking. So I've ordered a new one. Good news, I received the part that I needed to attach the shower curtain oval to the riser, and all the dimensions and diameters work. A second cup of coffee and some raw almonds. Flange in ahead of time because I don't want to lose focus and accidentally cut the wrong end. So this way that keeps me focused on cutting the proper end. At least a year since I've used this thing, and I haven't used it that much. To refresh my memory, I just cut a little bit off the end that I don't need. And I checked this probably about 6 times. So these tub ovals are really expensive. Screwing this up is a really big deal. I have to figure out where to hang this on the ceiling. Sure that I'm hanging it to support the shower riser. So currently the shower riser is attached that way, and this attachment is going away. So I want to put at least 2 of the pipes close enough to the shower riser to give it some good support, and then obviously the other 2 would be at the other end. The other tricky bit about this is where I could actually really use an extra set of hands. So I'm going to see if I can't pull this off without help, but it would be nice to have some at this point, I think. So we'll see how this goes. Laid this out the way it's going to go into the shower. Reattached my riser. Of course, I put some plumber's tape in there, and all my little bits and bobs, not the official term, but the bits and bobs that I'm going to use to attach to the ceiling and the oval are on. And so I made a mistake, of course, not surprising. When I was cutting the threaded end, the cutter screwed up my threads. So currently, the flange and the threaded bit are at my neighbor's house. Huge shout out to my neighbor who rescued my part that I screwed up. He was able to cut it and rethread it for me. Well, it is 8:30 at night, and this took 3 trips to the local hardware store, 2 trips to a neighbor, 1 trip to Home Depot, and it took 1 call to Mom. And I have to tell you, my mom and I have hung a lot of things in our day, a lot of heavy things. And I received advice today from other individuals about what I should use and to hang this. And I should not have listened. I should have listened to the tried and true methods my mom and I have used, and because I definitely got in over my head, and it took hours longer than it should have. Hours. And there are butterfly toggles stuck in the ceiling somewhere now. They'll be there for the rest of eternity. And I've patched it and then moved things over. So here's the big reveal. Alrighty, so you can see it's this very pretty chrome. There are 4 points of attachment, and there's obviously the patch spots there. I need to get back in and patch and paint, but I am saving that for another day. This particular kit didn't come with this extra point of attachment. I had leftover bits from previous installs, and so I cobbled together this extra attachment for the riser, just so there'd be more supporting that riser. Anyway, there you go.